Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix login problems on Taxact account. If you're trying to log into your Taxact account but you are not being able to do so, then there might be several reasons for that. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started and make sure that you are inside the login page of Taxact. In the URL box, type in www.taxact.com and press enter. If you've gotten to this page, it means that your internet connection is fine. Also make sure to be connected to a stable internet throughout the login process. Once you're inside the main home page, click the sign in button at the top right to get to the login area. While signing in for your account, you'll need to enter the correct username and password. If you're not being able to log into your account, then there is a high chance that you've forgotten your username or password. Always make sure to type in the correct information while logging in, or you won't be able to get inside your account. If you'd like to find out your username or password since you've forgotten it during the process, you can click on the Forgot Username or Password link. Get the sign-in help by entering a username, email or mobile number registered with Taxact. If you use an email address as your username, you can check this little box and finally click next. On the next page, a 6-digit code will be sent on your mobile number or your email address that is registered with Taxact. Go ahead and type in the 6-digit code and click verify in order to change to a new password or to find out your username. Once you find the correct credentials for you, go ahead and type it in the text box and click the next button to get access to your Taxact account. If you're still not being able to log in, then the next thing to do is to make sure that the web browser that you are using is updated. Go to the top right hand corner and click the 3 dots. In the pop-up, select Settings and then from the Settings menu, click on About button at the very bottom. Check for available updates for your web browser that you are using and click on the Restart button to restart your web browser. Soon after you restart your web browser, get back to the sign-in area and type in your credentials again to log into your account. If the problem still persists, get back to the settings page again and then click on Privacy Search and Services. Make sure to clear out your browsing data by clicking on this Choose What to Clear and then check these little boxes where it says Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Select the time range from the top of the screen by clicking on the drop down and select whether you'd like to clear the data from last 24 hours or all time. Finally, click on Clear Now and once you clear out your cookies and cache, go back to the sign-in area and log into your account again. If that still doesn't work, try updating your software of the device that you are using. Sometimes because of outdated version of the software that you are using, you might not be able to log into any websites out there. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're not being able to log into your Taxact accounts. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.